Let's see if you can nail this animal quiz. Which mammal can fly? The answer is bat. What is the fastest land animal? The answer is cheetah. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The answer is lion. What is the largest animal in the world? The answer is blue whale. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? The answer is parrot. What do pandas mainly eat? The answer is bamboo. Which animal is the tallest in the world? The answer is giraffe. Which animal is known to have the longest lifespan? The answer is Galapagos tortoise.